Hello, this is Jeff Kim. I'm at the location where in Palm Springs you can actually go to the top of the San Jacintos Mountains. And it's one of the hottest days out here in Palm Springs. It's about 12 o'clock, probably closing in on 100 degrees. I heard at the high of today, it will be even above 110. But what's interesting is as you go higher in the elevation, the temperature goes down. Some say even 30 degrees, even more so. So it's about 100 degrees here, feeling very warm, but good at the same time. But as we go up, I'm wondering if it's gonna cool down. And the reason why I wanna share this is because sometimes that makes all the difference when you're in a situation where it's difficult, where it's hot, you're feeling the pressure, you're feeling the heat. Sometimes we need to elevate ourselves to the next place so that we can kind of cool down. And so I want to ask you, what is it that's going to allow you to cool down? So in this situation here in Palm Springs, we're going to be taking the tram that goes from the base camp all the way up thousands of feet to the top. But for you in your situation, whether it's a workplace or at home and you're realizing, oh, I'm feeling that heat, what is something that you can do to kind of cool down and so that you can be more level-headed? It's a 10-minute, 2.5 mile trip beginning at Valley Station at 2,643 feet and rising to 8,516 feet. All right, the tram has taken us about 6,000 feet up and it's definitely cooler here. Whereas at the base camp, I mean, you felt that sun just glaring down on you, 100 degrees, and it's definitely feeling a lot cooler up here. It's 70 degrees, a little bit above 70 degrees. You're feeling the cool breeze. And so once again, what is it that can take you from kind of being in that place where it's really hot to a place that's a little bit better, a little bit cooler, where you can take a moment to have a different perspective? What is it that's going to give you a different perspective? So in this case, it's a tram that took us 6,000 feet, but there's things that we can do to kind of reshape our focus. It only took 10 minutes to get up here. So whether it's 10 seconds, oftentimes we do have 10 minutes to cool down, or even an hour or a day. What is it that can change your perspective from where you're at to where you can be? A place that's cooler, more refreshing, a better perspective. At the top, there's actually this creek that is just going down. I'm just gonna step in it right now, see how cool it feels. Oh yeah, this water is like super cool, nice and refreshing. So even more refreshing at the top than I expected, even more refreshing. All right, meet the Jeffrey pine. No, I'm not making this up just because my name is Jeff, but this is really a Jeffrey pine. And these pines are special because they have like a very delicious scent, like a butterscotch smelling scent. Yeah, it definitely smells a little bit like butterscotch as I'm kind of wafting the scent that's coming from this beautiful pine tree. This, yes, Jeffrey pine.